Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take him just because you can. Her beauty is beyond compare, this flaming lights of auburn hair, ivory skin, eyes of emerald green. Her smile is like a breathless spring, her voice is out like summer rain, and I cannot compete with you, Jolene. He talks about you in his sleep. There's nothing I can do to keep from crying when he calls your name, Jolene. And I can easily understand how you could easily take my man, but you don't know what he means to me, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take on just because you can. You could have your choice of man, but I could never love again. He's the only one for me, Jolene. I had to have this talk with you, my happiness depends on you, whatever you decide to do, Jolene. Jolene, 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 I'm begging of you, please don't take my man. Jolene, 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 please don't take on even though you can. Jolene.